So many great things connect when you're in the kitchen together. Mariella of Marisa's Easy Kitchen has a simple recipe for bonding and building life skills, because you don't realize that as you're cooking together, you're talking.
Yes,
right?
exactly. I like how you said that, bonding and building. And today we're going to build something using pizza dough.
Okay, so really simple ingredients.
Really simple ingredients. You know, in the time that it takes you to get in the car and go to the store to buy pizza dough, you can really make it your own. And just use the rapid rise instant yeast. And this is the time that you call everybody into the kitchen. This is not, you know, do it yourself kind of dinner.
Get help.
Get help.
Yeah.
But like you said, you're bonding, you're talking, and set some rules, right? So there's no bickering allowed, and you know, you can't be judgmental. I think what happens is that people become very territorial in the kitchen.
Especially if this is my kitchen and you're not doing it right. I'll do it myself.
Right, you're not doing it my way, right? Because there's a lot of different ways of doing things. And so, you know, that becomes an opportunity to improve communication and in the end, have a wonderful feast.
Okay, so you've made all this with pizza dough.
With one simple dough, and I'll have the recipe on my website, but we're gonna make panzerotti. So I have little pizzette. Pizzette is a cute little word that says mini pizzas, right? But we're gonna make panzerotti. You know, homemade dough, you're just gonna use your fingers and really just stretch it out. Homemade dough is so lovely to work with. It smells great, and you're not really fighting with the dough.
And
so
it's inexpensive.
Oh my goodness, very inexpensive compared to what a pizza or a panzerotto would cost at a store or a restaurant, okay? And then this is where everyone has, you know, their opinion on what they like in it. So you could add some sauce, I've got some ham or cheese, olives. You know, this is a good time too to clean out your fridge. So what I've done here is created some different recipes, just pulling things out of the fridge. So we had rapini last night. So I have rapini stuffed pizza. You can call it a stromboli. Stromboli is really an American name. It's not really an Italian term, but it does refer to a stuffed pizza. I had some ricotta. I had made something else using ricotta, so I had spinach and ricotta stuffed stromboli. And then I made stuffed little pizza buns, like cinnamon rolls, but made with pizza toppings.
Dessert pizza.
Okay,
love that.
You noticed that as soon as you walked in.
I'm like, oh, there's dessert
good
pizza.
Eye. You have a good eye. So that's Nutella, and I sprinkled a little bit of chopped pistachios on it, decorated it with some raspberries. So we're going from, you know, entree straight to dessert, all with pizza dough. Okay. Oh, you like it hot, I see.
I like it hot.
So you could add something else if you like.
I'm gonna get some ham
I'm gonna keep
there.
mine simple. You know, the Italians generally like simple fillings for their panzerotto. But nonetheless, whether you stuff it with meat or keep it vegetarian or even vegan, right? It adapts very well. So then we're gonna fold this over. Okay, so like a crescent.
Okay. Oh, I may have put the...
No, it's perfect. Okay. And then we're going to twist.
My stuff
you make pie, right? So we're going to kind of crimp this.
So flute it?
Yeah, flute it and just twist it over. And what you're doing is sealing everything in. And if a little bit spills out, that's okay. You don't have to worry, right? You know, I think the other thing that keeps people out of the kitchen is that, you know, they think there's going to be a mess. Well, life is messy, right? And there's so many life lessons that can be learned in the kitchen. You make a mess, you clean it up. There's no mess in life that you can't deal with and clean up. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So that's gonna go into the oven. I'm gonna move mine over just so that I can show you what it looks like. Look at this.
Very cool.
Yeah, and then we're gonna cut into it. So these are still warm. There we go. So you could pop these in the freezer.
If you've got something here that you're cooking that, like if it's an all-day thing, right? Then you sit down and you break, you know, literally break bread together, right? So that's, again, and it's an easy way, instead of like talking one-on-one kind of thing, it's your hands are busy, so you're thinking about, oh, whatever, and then conversation just flows naturally, which is so important,
well, it's
right?
like you said before, you're bonding, and you're really creating memories that are going to last a lifetime. So get the grandchildren in the kitchen, the children, the teens, get your partner, work together on a simple recipe that's foolproof, and really enjoy the moment, be in in the moment, and you get
Okay.
to enjoy the fruit of your labor.
Okay, right after this moment, we're going to have our whole crew come in here and share
I
a
love
moment
that.
over this,
Oh, I love
and that's
that.
why we love having you on the show. Marisa, we'll put the links up to your to all your spots at chch.com/morninglive.
Thanks, Annette.
Enjoy.
Look at this. Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah. We're going to bake yours off.
Okay.
And then